Ciao everyone, it's Davide here, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the do's and don'ts of when cooking pasta. Andiamo. Do use a large pot. So when you cook your pasta, you want to have the biggest pot that you have. Make sure the pasta has a lot of room to swim around. Do season your pasta water. You want your water to taste like the ocean. And this one is a really crucial step for cooking pasta. So you want to have roughly 10 grams per liter. Okay, so my glass are filling up. So do put the pasta in only when the water is fully boiling, never before. Do not, big no, put olive oil into your pasta water. All it does, floats to the top and doesn't prevent the pasta from sticking. So just give it a nice little stir and your pasta will never stick. Also, what the olive oil does, when you go and strain your pasta, it will coat your pasta and the sauce won't stick to it. If you fancy long pasta, do not break it. It will fit in your pot, trust me. All you have to do, pop it in the water, wait a few moments to soften it up, and it will be easy to stir it in. Do always taste your pasta before popping into the sauce. You want that al dente texture. Do always save some of the pasta water. You will want some of this water to finish your sauce so you have a creamy and velvety dish without having to add any cream or any butter. Do not rinse your pasta underwater. It will wash off the starches and those they help the sauce stick to your pasta.